Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Mahim, and I am here to talk about my YouTube journey, and it's been a failure. And you might wondering how people face failure at the age of like me, like I'm 16 years old. Well, I started I started my YouTube journey at the age of 12, with my big brothers, my maternal cousins, and we had to discuss about our script and then shoot the video. But our production quality wasn't that great. We used to make videos like 12 a month, then upload it in one video in every month. But the quality of the video wasn't that great, and I feel cringe whenever I watch those videos. So we had deleted those videos from YouTube. So it's been a one year, but I always wanted to be famous, right? I want to known by people. So I started doing technical YouTube channel, where I like how to do this or do that. Then after doing this for almost 1 year, I didn't get that much of response. Then I quit that too. Later on, I started making videos about football shorts, like football editing, and in that case, I got so much views, like almost 300k per video. So it was a great time for me. I also gathered almost 3.5k subscriber. But later on, my religious phase came, and I quit music. So I had to remove all the videos because it was with music. So I deleted all the videos and deleted my account as well. Then I just making some religious video. Later on, I realized that this is not the time for me to be famous. I think it's time for me to live by my own and do what best for me. I think I should enjoy the moment. I believe it's not important to be famous. It's more important to be a better person. Well, that was my story. That's all. Thank you everyone.
Okay.
Was it good?
Okay.